If you dream it, you can achieve it. William Arthur Ward. The quote above and many others that have been spoken by wise men in the history of human beings point out the importance of visualizing an event before it occurs. Dream in the context of the above statement doesn't refer to the images and visuals you see when sleeping or taking a nap. Rather, this refers to the goals you plan to achieve in your life. The topsy-turvy nature of life makes it challenging for some people to have targets they intend to achieve. Some people would cite the example of the rumblings and shocking nature of the COVID-19 as a genuine reason you shouldn't make plans or set targets in life. Some individuals will say that life is just like the stock market. Nothing is certain. There isn't doubt that life can be volatile, such that you are never sure of what happens next. However, if you decide against setting targets and goals you intend to achieve within some periods, you are living your life based on speculations. It's not true that whatever will be, will be. You can decide what you want in life and accomplish it. There are many great examples of people who have achieved tangible success because they leveraged the power of visualization. You can become one of such people when you leverage the tips in this video course. The journey begins with what visualization is and ends with how you can succeed with it. Enjoy the ride.